51. What percent of total expenditure is spent on R&D and transport together? What is the R&D value? 115.2. What is the transport value? 50.4. 115.2 and 50.4. Both are adding 165.6. It is calculated on 360 multiplied by 100. Okay, and this one we written 1656 by 3600 into 100. 2 zeros are cancelled. 36 for the 144. What is the remaining? 21. 216 means 6 times. What is the answer? 46%. Next 52. Cosecant A plus secant of 90 minus A plus secant of 270 plus A equal to 4. What is the value of cot A? Secant of 90 minus A means it will be cosecant A. Next, secant of 270 plus A. It is also 270. Odd number or even number? Odd number. That is also written cosecant A. 90 and 270. Okay. Odd numbers or even numbers? Odd numbers. In odd numbers case, secant becomes cosecant. Secant becomes cosecant. But even numbers, 180, 360, secant or secant, cosecant or cosecant. And cosecant A plus cosecant A plus cosecant A. 3 cosecant A equal to how much? 4. Means we written cosecant A equal to how much? 4 by 3. Cosecant A equal to 4 by 3. Then sin A equal to 3 by 4. By using right angle triangle, 3 and here 4. What is 3 square? 9. What is 4 square? 16. Difference is 7. Means this portion we written root 7. What is the question here? Cot A. Cot A means what is the answer? Root 7 by 3 or 4? 3. A, B, C. Then we written BC by AB. What is the BC value? Root 7. What is the AB value? 3. Next question number 53. The cost price of an article is 21 1 by 19% less than 8's selling price. What is the profit or loss percent? One will be cost price, another one are selling price. 21 1 by 19. 19 20 is how much? 380. 19 ones are 19. Total it is 399 plus 1 means 400 by 1900. What is the fraction? 4 by 1900. Okay, means selling price is how many parts? 19 parts. Compared to this one, how many parts are lesser? 4 parts less. Means selling price value 19 parts. Compared to this one, 4 parts are lesser. Means cost price is how many parts? 15 parts. Simply we written cost price and selling price ratio 15 is to 19. How many parts are profit? 4 parts. 4 upon 15 multiplied by 100. Okay, 5 3 times 5 20 times. That is 80 by 3. 80 by 3 means 26 2 by 3%. Profit or loss? Profit. Or use the inversely proportional also, we are get the same answer. But the fraction less? 4 by 19 less. More value? 15 by 4 by 15. Less value 4 by 19 means more value 4 by 19 minus 4. 4 by 19 minus 4 means we are getting 4 by 15 multiplied by 100. Next question number 54. PQR can do a certain piece of work 20 days, 25 days and 30 days respectively. They started work together, but after A minus 8 days, P left the job. Means P how many days are working? A minus 8 days. And A days before the completion of the work, Q also left. If the whole work is completed in how many days? A plus 5 days. Means total work is completed A plus 5 days means third person is working total time or some time? Total time. But second person compared to third one, how many days are before left? A days before. Means second person compared to third person, how many days are less working? A days or A days more? A days lesser. What is the third one? How many days are working? A plus 5. Second person compared to third one, how many days are less working? A days less or more? Lesser. Next, what is the question here? Find the value of A. First of all, what is the LCM of 20, 25 and 30? 150. 150 also possible. 300 also possible. Okay. LCM is how much? 150. 20 how many times? 7.5 times, sir. 25 how many times? 6 times, sir. 30 5 times, sir. తీసుకోకూడదా? తీసుకోవచ్చు. A how much time? Sorry, P efficiency is how many parts? 7.5. Q how many parts? 6 parts. R efficiency 5 parts, sir. Okay. First, P how many days are working? A minus 8. What is the P efficiency? 7.5. How many days are working? A minus 8. It is which one work? P worker. Next, Q how many days are before left? A days before. But actual time are A plus 5. Compared to that one, A days are less working or more working? Less working. Means A plus 5 minus A. A plus 5 minus A. A cancel. What is the remaining? 5. Means 5 days work of which one? Q or not? What is the Q efficiency? 6 parts. Then we return 5 into 6. Okay. Third one is working for total time or some time? Total time. What is the third one time? A plus 5. What is the third one efficiency? 5 parts, sir. Okay. First one, A minus 8 days work of P. Second one, 5 days work of Q. And last one, A plus 5 days work of R. These three are adding. We are get the total worker. What is the total work here? 150. Simplify this one. We are get the A value. Left hand side 7.5 A and 5 A. Total it is 12.5 A. Next, left hand side 7.5 into 8. 60 minus 60 or plus 60? Minus 60. 5 into 6 30. 5 into 5 25. 25 plus 30 55. Minus 60 plus 55 minus 5. It will become plus 5. 150 plus 5. 155. Then A equal to how much? 155 by 12.5. It is more than 12 times but less than 13 times, sir. 12 12s are how much? 144. 12 13s 156. Definitely it should be more than 12 times value but less than 13 times value. What is the numerator? 5. Denominator 5. Means possibility either 2 times or 4 times. Means we required exact value. Okay. First 155. 5 how many times? 31. 5 how many times denominator? 2.5. This one we written 31 by 10 into 31 by 10 into how much? 4. 2.5 means we written 10 by 4. 2.5 means 10 by 4. It will become multiplied by 4. 31 4 the 124 by 10 means 12.4. Next question number 55. In a triangle ABC, angle A equal to angle B plus C. Means what are the sum of the angles in a triangle? 180. In that A value equal to B plus C means if A value are 90, B plus C also 90. That is considered right angle triangular. Okay. Right angle triangle. It is A value, this one B and here C. Angle A equal to how much? 90. And one more, AD is perpendicular to BC. AD equal to AD perpendicular to which one? BC. And AD value are given 8. AD value are given 8 and BD value are given 4. What is the question here? Find the length of BC or AC? BC means required BC value. Okay. This one we written directly BC equal to 1 by 4 of AD square plus BD square. What is the AD value? 8. What is the 8 square? 64. What is the BD value? 4. 4 square 16. 64 plus 16 80. What is the 1/4 of 80? 20. Normally simplify that one, we are get the same answer. But this type of questions we are using direct formula, that is BC equal to 1/4 of AD square plus BD square. Normally one is larger triangle, another one smaller triangular. Okay, simplify that one, we are get the same result. Next question number 56. The smallest 4-digit number which leaves a remainder 5 when divided by 8, 10, 12 and 16. First of all, remainder is how much? 5. Means answer should end with 5. All the options are end with 5. And one more, here numbers are given, smaller numbers or larger numbers? Smaller numbers. LCM easier. What is the LCM of 8, 10, 12, 16? 8 cancel. What is the remaining? 10, 12, 16. What is the LCM? 240. Definitely LCM must be multiple of 240. 245 is how much? 1200. Okay, 1200 plus 5 or 1200 minus 5? 1200 plus 5. What is the total answer? 1205. LCM is always equal to largest number or multiples of largest number. Already we are get the LCM is how much? 240. Means LCM value multiples of 240 also possible. Okay. How many? What is the answer? 1205. 241s are, 242s are, 243s are, 244s are, 245s are. Next 57. Two trains A and B run in the same direction at 60 km per hour and x km per hour respectively. If the train B crosses the train A in 20 seconds and the length of the train A and train B is 68 meters and 132 meters respectively, find the value of x. And here B is faster than the A or not? Means opposite direction, same direction are given. Same direction. What is the same direction relative speed? S2 minus S1. Because here B is more than the A or not? Okay. Suppose B speed we return B. What is the A speed? 60 or not? Then we return B minus 60 or B plus 60? B minus 60. That is speed value or time value? Speed value. Speed into time. Speed into time. Or else directly we return B minus 60. That is speed relation in relative speed. And what is the, when a train passes another train means what is the total distance? Sum of the two train lengths are 132 plus 68. Total it is 200. It will be passes in how many seconds? 20 seconds. 200 by 20 we are get the meter per second. Multiplied by 18 by 5 we are get the kilometer per hour. 20 into 5, 100. How many times? 2 times. 18 to the 36. B minus 60, 36 means B value are 96 are. ఇలా రాస్తే క్లియర్గా అర్థమవుతుందని రాస్తున్నాను అంతే. Next question number 58. The ratio of the number of students in college P and Q is how much? 4:5. The ratio of the boys to girls in P is how much? 2:3. And the ratio of the boys to girls in Q is 3:2. What is the ratio of the boys in P and Q are? First in P total how many parts? 4 parts. That 4 parts are distributed 2:3 ratio. Yes or no? What is the question here? Boys in P, boys in Q. P total strength 4 parts. In that boys and girls 2:3 means out of 5 parts boys are 2 parts. Then boys in P we return 2/5 of how many parts? 4 parts are. Next, what is the second one? College Q total how many parts? 5 parts. That 5 parts are distributed in which ratio? 3:2 means boys is 3 parts out of 5 parts. Then we return 3/5 of how many parts? 5 parts are. Left hand side boys in P, right hand side boys in Q. We require ratio or not? Denominator 5, denominator 5 cancel or not? 2 4s are 8, 3 5s are 15. What is the answer? 8:15. Next question number 59. A square plus B square equal to 7, AB equal to 2. A power 4 plus B power 4 minus 2A square and B square. First of all, squaring on both sides are. Then we are getting A power 4 plus B power 4 plus 2A square B square equal to how much? 49. Okay. And already we know the AB value. What is the AB value? 2. Means we are getting A square B square equal to 4. Squaring on both sides. A square B square equal to how much? 4. What is the 2A square B square value? 8. 49 minus 8. 41. Means A power 4 plus B power 4 equal to how much? 41. But we required which one? A power 4 plus B power 4 minus 2A square B square. A power 4 plus B power 4 means how much? 41. 2A square B square means 8. 41 minus 8. 33. We are subtracting 2 times or only 1 time? 2 times. If it is only 1 time or subtracting, we are getting 41. Again, 1 more time. Next 60. Anyone needs 60 question? Next 61. The value of a laptop decreases every year by 15% of the previous year. If the value of a laptop present is 9826, then what is the value of a laptop is 3 years back? Okay. Every year how much percent are decreased? 15%. But we required 3 years back value or present value? 3 years back. 15% means what is the fraction? 15 by 100 means 5 3 times 5 20 times. What is the fraction? 3 by 20. Decreased or increased? Decreased. Every year 3 parts decreased. Okay. Means 3 years ago how many parts? 20 parts. In that how many parts are decreased? 3 parts. Then every year it will become 17 parts. If it is 1 year, we written how much? 17 by 20. And here how many years are given? 3 years. Then we written power 3 or power 1? Power 3. 3 years back we are consider 20. At present we are consider 17. If it is only 1 year. But if it is 3 years, we written directly power 3. What is the 17 cube? 17 cube. 4, 9, 1, 3. What is the 20 cube? 8000. Means 3 years ago how many parts? 8000 parts. At present is how many parts? 4913. 4913. In place of 4913, how much value are given? 9826. Exactly double. Then answer also 8000 double. What the answer? 16,000. 3 years back how many parts? 8000 parts. At present 4913. But in place of 493, how much value are given? 9826. It is exactly double. Then answer also 8000 double. Okay. Or what is the time period? 3 years. 9826, it is exactly divisible by 200. Okay. When time period is 3 years, initial value and final value both are in perfect cubes or perfect squares? Perfect cubes. 9826, it is exactly divided by 2. We are get the perfect cube value. 20,000 is divided by 2. 10,000. That is perfect cube? No. 16,000 divided by 2. 8,000. That is perfect cube? Yes. 15,000 is divided by 2. 7,500. That is perfect cube? No. 18,000 divided by 2. 9,000. That is perfect cube? No. Then answer only 16,000. When it is divided by 2, we are get the perfect cube. Because time period are 3 years means initial value and final value both are must be perfect cubes or perfect squares? Perfect cubes. Next is 62. A plus 9a by a equal to 6. Substitute the a value 3. A is how much? 3. 9 by 3 means 3. 3 plus 3, 6. What is the question here? A square plus 1 by a cube. What is the a square? 9. 1 by a cube means 27. What is the answer? 9. 1 by 27. Integer and fraction. Both are adding, it will be mixed fraction. What is the answer? 9 1 by 27. Next is 63. A boat can travel 77 kilometers downstream in how many minutes? 66 minutes. The ratio of the speed of the boat in still water to the speed of the stream is 4:3. What is the downstream speed? M plus S or M minus S? M plus S. M is represents 4 parts. S is represents 3 parts. That is equal to distance by timer. Distance is how much? 77. Time is 66 minutes. Then we return 77 by 66 minutes. minutes converted to hours multiplied by which one? 60 here. Okay, 11 7 times, 11 6 times, 6 how many times? 10 times here. Left hand side 7 parts, right hand side 70. Every one part is how much? 10 here. Every one part are 10. What is the question here? How much time will the boat take to cover 80 kilometers upstream or downstream? Upstream. What is the upstream distance? 80. The required time means written distance by speed. What is the upstream speed? M minus S or M plus S? M minus S. M is 4 parts. S is 3 parts. Difference 1 part. Denominator 10. 8 by 80 by 10 means 8 hours, sir. Next question number 64. A sells an item to B at 10% profit, who in turn sold it to C at 20% profit. Finally, C sold that item to A at 15% profit. Find the price that item for A when purchased from C is what percent more than its actual price when he purchased initially. Suppose initial price of A we are consider 100%. A to B, what is the profit? 10%, means 110. Again B to C, what is the profit? 20%. What is the 20% of 110? 22. 110 plus 22, 132. That is B selling price and C cost price, sir. B selling price and C cost price. Again C sold that two item A at 15% profit. What is the 10% of 132? 13.2. 5%, 6.8. 13.2 plus 6.6. Total it is 19.8. Adding or subtracting? Adding. 132 plus 19. 151. 151.8%. Okay. 151.8%, that is C selling price. It is also equal to A cost price. What is the A initial value? 100. What is the final value? 151.8. What is the profit value? 51.8%.